how to buy Blockboost token. So this token came under the symbol of BBT. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there's a referral code down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check Direct's account and keep following their updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel. They include it too on their X account. As you can see, this token is in pre-sale right now. So if you click on their official website, as you can see, will be redirected to this page. So what you need to do here, just connect your wallet first. Select one of these wallets that you use. For example, I will use the Bitget wallet. So after you select the wallet, connect it. So after you connect your wallet to this pre-sale page, what you need to do here, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, if you use USDT or USDC, for example, USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. So after that, type how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able to see how much you receive that token. So after that, click on buy now. And because I don't have any USDT on my wallet, I can't be able to buy this token. So after that, you can click on buy and complete the buy process to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Blockboost token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.